Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to respected parents and my dear students. First of all, it's a critical time for all the schools and especially for the private schools. Our sympathy is always with all the teachers, school managements as well as with the support staff right now. Respected people, many schools have taken a decision maybe from yesterday that they will shut down, they will close the online lectures due to some personal reason. But our school always believes in overall growth of the students, personality development of the students, uninterrupted education of the students, and benefit to all the types of students no matter which economical background he or she belongs to. So our school management has taken a decision to continue the online education from KG to 12 from right now onwards. I mean, we are not going to stop the online education. We will continue online education for all the classes from KG to 12. We believe that students must not suffer at any cost. So my humble request to all the students, don't be panic, always be positive, and whatever lectures daily we are uploading, 10, 12, 15 lectures, kindly try to see all the lectures at your convenient time. Don't bother much about future. Future is in the hand of Almighty. We just believe in present. So students, just keep watching lecture. Don't bother much about future, what will happen. Don't bother much about exams. We study just for life purpose, not for exam purpose. We learn something for future purpose. I mean to say that which is applicable to our real life. So don't bother much right now about exams. Don't bother much about syllabus also right now. Just whatever we are uploading, you just see all the lectures and whatever notes are there, whatever question answers are there, all the PDF files are there. If you feel convenient and if your teachers are suggesting you, please copy the same thing in the notebook also. Our main purpose is that students should not go away from education, always connected with education. So we'll continue our work, and my humble request to the students, you also try to support us. Just keep watching online lectures and let's pray that the future will be absolutely fine and perfect. Try to follow the instructions given by all the teachers as well as school management. School management and teachers always think something better for students every day. So we will never definitely disconnect our contact with you. We always will remain in touch with you with the help of technology. Expect better cooperation from all of you, and let's pray for entire world, because right now it's not that one city, one area, one village or one country. Whole world is affected by COVID-19. So let's pray that entire world must get a better health also and a happy life also. May Almighty bless all of us and we'll have a very happy, safe, secure and a wonderful life ahead of us. One more announcement is there, that tomorrow will be the last day to submit the class 11 admission form. Till 12 o'clock the forms will be accepted. After 12 o'clock forms will not be accepted. So till 12 noon tomorrow, class 11 forms, admission forms will be accepted. And then after on 27th of July, Monday, after 11 a.m. the merit list will be declared online on school website. Okay? Hope for the best. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you very much.